Yan, standby. Means na hindi gumagana yan. Yan, hindi gumagana. Ano pa, standby. Open na itong door niya, hindi mag-activate to. So, problema yan, continuous working, solenoid. May problema sa connection nito. So, troubleshoot natin ito. Okay, go! So, ayan, solenoid nyo. C410 and C710. Ayan. Okay, i-trace natin yan. Sun. LS6. CPU. Standby na, okay. Charging. There's a power, but this is off because the door is open. See? Still have power. It's a solenoid terminal. So the problem is here. It's L6. This is the old one. Okay.